Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Apple AirPods, and more specifically, we're going to show how to connect these to your iPhone. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video. This is an easy process, so be sure to stick around. Basically, these are the semi-newer versions of the Apple AirPods. There's actually one more generation after this one that I have here, but these are the only ones I could steal from my friend. So I'm going to show you how to connect these. Basically, what happens is if you end up buying these from somebody, you want to make sure that they are disconnected from that person's iPhone. Otherwise, you will not be able to use them. Because once they're connected to one particular iPhone, they don't work for other iPhones unless that person closes it out. So the friend that I stole these from, they have already disconnected them and unassociated them from their iPhone. And these things are already charged up and really easy. Basically, all you're going to do is just right when you open it up, it should connect directly to your iPhone, but you do need to have your Bluetooth on. So as you can see, when I open this, it does not connect. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my Bluetooth on. Okay, as you can see, my Bluetooth is off, so I'm going to click that on. All right, Bluetooth connection's enabled. I'm going to close this down. All right, now we're going to go ahead and open this up. All right, as you see, this screen pops right up right here, letting you know that these AirPods are not yours, but you want to click this connect button down here. Now, one thing I want to let you know is if you are opening up your AirPods and it's not connecting like that and giving you that drop down menu, you do want to open up if you have a case like this. Let me take this thing off, and there's a little button right here. It doesn't really look like a button, but I can assure you it is. It's like a little circle thing. Hold that down for like 5 or 10 seconds, and then that will do some sort of a reset on your Apple AirPods. That way you can connect it to your iPhone. But the person that I bought these from, they already did that. So right when I open it up, it automatically gives me the option to try to connect. So you just click this blue button right here called connect. I'm going to click there now. All right, next it is prompting me to hold that same button that we just talked about on the back of the case. So let me go ahead and remove this and follow those directions. Okay, I'm clicking it now. I'm still holding it. All right, next this pop-up happens asking if I would like Siri to read out my text messages without having to unlock the phone. That's up to you. I'm going to click not now. All right, now these are connected. So once you pop these open, it'll immediately connect to your iPhone. Watch, I'm going to open it now. And as you can see, it immediately lets me know the charging for the AirPods along with the case itself. And you don't really have to press anything. You can just take them out and use them. So there you have it. That is how you connect your Apple AirPods to your iPhone. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.